From a refrigerator that has cameras that take pictures of what's inside and can be seen on your phone, to eyeglasses that can read text. Recognize people, know what objects are around. Here's some coolest inventions you haven't seen before. Samsung Family Hub. If you often forget what to buy at the store or what to cook for dinner, the Samsung Family Hub refrigerator can help. It has cameras that take pictures of what's inside when you close the door. These pictures can be seen on your phone, so you know what you have. The fridge is, I can also plan your meals for a week and make a shopping list for the ingredients you need. This fridge might just be an idea for now, but is growing fast, so it might be available soon. What other inventions can you think of to make life more comfy? Tell us in the comments and follow our channel for more tech news. There's still lots more to learn. Brace yourself for a stunning showcase of mind-blowing creations, unlike anything you've ever encountered. Why, electricity. You know how charging phones with cables can be annoying? Electric car owners have a similar issue when they need to recharge their cars. But that might change soon. Well, electricity and General Motors are working together to test a new way of charging electric cars without wires. Electricity's tech uses special waves to transfer power. The setup has a part in the car and another where you park. Cars at different heights can use it. They're testing this for both fully electric and hybrid cars. I'm worried. Sometimes a big tree or a close building blocks sunlight from coming into our rooms. This can also be a problem in warehouses and offices. Wary. Solar can help with this issue. Wary. Solar can help with this issue. It uses special lenses to gather sunlight and send it through cables to light up a room. This way you can have natural light indoors and save on electricity. Plus, it moves with the sun to keep the room lit all day. Netbow! People who love growing plants in pots often struggle to water them evenly. But now, there's a solution. An Israeli company called Netbow has made a special tool called Netbow. It's a small device that helps give plants the right amount of water and nutrients all around their roots, making them grow nicely. It's easy to put together and works well for special crops like blueberries and cannabis that need specific care. With Netbow, plants' roots can grow well in every part of the pot. My eyebrow. There are many people who can't see well. And Orcam has made smart glasses to help them. These glasses, called My Eye Pro, can read text, recognize people, and know what objects are around. You put them on your regular glasses and use magnets to make them work. You can ask the glasses to read books or menus out loud. They can also understand pointing and gestures, and even identify barcodes and money. My Eye Pro glasses are fast and last a long time on one charge. Stone 250. Introducing another speaker for those who cherish a classic aesthetic. With a powerful 5-watt RNS sound, this Boat Stone speaker will swiftly immerse you in a music experience like no other. And let's not overlook the mesmerizing Roger LED that can elevate your party atmosphere with their vibrant and dynamic vibes. Smart thermometer meter. We all enjoy tasty meat, but cooking it just right can be tough. That's where Meter comes in, a wireless thermometer that helps you cook meat perfectly. It connects to your phone using Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Using it is simple. Pick a recipe, choose the meat type and how you want it cooked. Then put Meter in the meat and cook it. An app lets you watch the cooking and tells your phone when the meat is done just how you like it rare. Medium rare or well done. Meter's battery lasts for a full day of cooking. Force ADC gyroscope. Looking for something to help you relax and distract from stress? This mechanical force hand spinner is a small device that keeps your hands busy and your mind focused. It's perfect for people who feel restless, hyperactive, or anxious. It's discreet and nearly silent, so you can use it anywhere without disturbing others nearby. The toy has bearings in the center and connections to the middle and outer rings, allowing all three axes to spin freely for a long time. There are plenty of ways to play with this thing, and you'll surely love it! Caller knew me. Smart homes are common now. But a smart toilet is something new. Paula, an American company, made the Numi 2.0 smart toilet. It has Amazon Alexa inside, so you can talk to it. The toilet can welcome you. Open and close its lid, and even warm the seat. It can flush on its own, and has a special cleaning feature too. The toilet can blow warm air on your feet, and it also has speakers to play music. But it's pricey at $11,500. Get ready for an exciting adventure as we reveal not just one, but two incredible wonders that will spark your imagination in ways you've never experienced before. Water gin mobility. Getting drinking water while traveling can be tough, especially in deserts or places without safe tap water. Now, water gen mobility makes it possible to get water from the air. It looks like a portable generator, but instead of making power, it takes in air and turns it into water using a special system. The water goes through filters and gets stored in a tank. It can make up to 5 gallons of water each day and works in cars or with regular power outlets. They even made a camper that uses the same tech to provide both water and electricity from the sun. This camper can make enough water for a comfortable long journey. Amica! You might remember the movie iRobot with expressive humanoid robots. Well, something similar exists now. Meet the Amica Robot by a British company called Engineered Arts. It was shown at CES in Las Vegas last year. This robot can show emotions on its face using small motors. It can also use its hands, recognize things around it, and answer questions. A new version was made with even more motors, so it looks even more real, but it still can't walk. So, no need to worry about robot takeovers. Just yet!